A major announcement just dropped for investors in the financial sector. US Financial 15 Split Corp has released its semi-annual financial results for the period ending May 31, 2025. Now, this isn't just another corporate filing. This is your look under the hood. Today, we're going to break down what this announcement means, what a Split Corp actually is, and most importantly, what you should be looking for in these new documents. Let's get straight into it. First, what are we even talking about? US Financial 15 Split Corp isn't your typical company. It's a special type of investment fund called a split share corporation. Imagine a basket of stocks. In this case, a portfolio of 15 US financial services companies. A split corp takes that basket and issues two different types of shares for investors. First, you have preferred shares. Think of these as the steady income-focused option. They are designed to pay a fixed, regular dividend. Investors who prioritize predictable income and capital preservation often gravitate towards these. Second, you have Class A or capital shares. These are for growth-oriented investors. They don't typically receive the initial dividends. Instead, they get all the potential capital gains from the entire portfolio. This creates leverage, meaning both gains and losses are amplified compared to owning the underlying stocks directly. So when US Financial 15 Split Corp releases financial results, it's critical for both types of shareholders, but for very different reasons. On July 23, 2025, the company announced that its semi-annual financial statements and the management report of fund performance are now public. This covers the 6-month period ending on May 31, 2025. This is the official scorecard for the fund's performance and financial health. So what should you be looking for? This isn't about just reading the headlines, you need to dig in. For the preferred shareholders, your main concern is the stability of your dividend. You'll want to look at the fund's net asset value, NAV. A healthy and stable NAV is crucial because the dividends paid on the underlying stocks are used to fund your distributions. If the value of the portfolio drops significantly, it could impact the fund's ability to sustain those payments. But for the Class A shareholders, you're looking for growth. You need to analyze the performance of the 15 underlying US financial stocks. How did they perform over the last 6 months? Look at the management discussion. Tim will break down the performance, discussing which stocks drove gains and which ones lagged. You're also taking on more risk, so you need to understand the fund's expenses and leverage, as this directly impacts your potential return. For everyone, the management report is key. It provides context beyond the raw numbers, explaining the why behind the performance and outlining the strategy going forward. The company has made this very easy. The full financial statements and management report are available on 2 websites. The first is the company's official site, www.financial15.com. The second is www.shareholders.com. For those who don't know, SEDAR+ is essentially the Canadian equivalent of the SEC's EDGAR system. It is the official repository for all public company filings in Canada, making it a vital resource for serious investors. To wrap up, the release of these financial documents by US Financial 15 Split Corp is a call to action for its investors. It's an opportunity to assess your investment based on fresh, hard data. Check the health of the portfolio, verify the stability of the dividends if you hold preferred shares, and analyze the growth potential if you hold the Class A shares. The information is out there, now it's time to do your homework. If you want more breakdowns of financial news and what it means for your portfolio, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. We'll keep you updated so you can stay ahead of the market. Thanks for watching.